The Eureka AirSpeed Compact Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner is the powerful, lightweight cleaning solution you've been waiting for. Weighing only 7.7 pounds. You won't believe how easy it is to lift and maneuver this compact vacuum throughout your home. Its compact design can easily store in a space of any size. This vacuum is packed with features including a detachable handle that connects to the hose and tools for above-floor cleaning. The crevice tool and dusting brush store on the vacuum to be within reach during cleaning. Its powerful 6-amp motor and 10.5 inches cleaning path make it quick and easy to suck up dirt and hair from carpets and bare floors. The 1.7-liter dust cup includes an easy empty, one-press design so dirt and hair drop out with ease. 1-year limited warranty. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Powerful suction. Eureka AirSpeed Vac running with 6-amp motor provides decent cleaning performance with bristle brush inside the head. It could not only lift debris, but also extract dirt from carpet, shag rugs, high-pile carpet, and hard floor. Number 2. As light as air. This upright only weighs 7.7 pounds. Ultra lightweight and compact design make this vacuum easy to carry, maneuver, and store. Number 3. Decent capacity. Easy empty dust cup. Don't let its slight frame fool you because it can still hold up to 2.7 liters of dirt. And it's pretty easy to clean up the dust cup. Number 4. Crevice tool and dusting brush store right on the vacuum and are always within reach during cleaning. Number 5. Comes with a crevice and brush tool which is enough for most cleaning tasks. Number 6. Comes with a crevice and brush tool which is enough for most cleaning tasks. Number 7. The washable filter can be rinsed in water and dried, saving time and money. Number 8. Quick release handles for effortless above-floor cleaning. Attach the crevice tool or dusting brush to the end of the handle for cleaning upholstery, windows, and other hard-to-reach places. Number 9. Powerful all-floor suction extracts dirt and hair from hard floors and carpets ease. It is 10.5 wide cleaning path gets the job done quickly. Number 10. Lightweight at only 7.7 pounds with its compact and featherweight design, this vacuum can store in any space in your home and be carried anywhere. Number 11. Contains one washable filter which can be rinsed and left to dry for no maintenance costs. Plastic telescoping handles. Number 12. Includes a crevice tool and dusting brush that snaps on the vacuum and is within reach at any time during cleaning. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.